Life is a precious gift. Each day is an opportunity. Are you living intentionally or letting days drift by? Living with intent means aligning actions with values. It's about making conscious choices. It's about creating a life that truly matters.
Welcome to this journey of intentional living. It's about designing a life you love. It's about being present in each moment. It's about finding joy in the ordinary. It's about making a difference. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about making choices that align with your values. It's about living with purpose. Are you ready to begin?
Why do you want to live intentionally? What are your deepest values? What brings you joy? What kind of impact do you want to make? Your why will guide your journey. Think about your ideal day. What does it look like? What are you doing? Who are you with? Your answers reveal your values. Write them down. Keep them visible. Let them guide your choices.
Intentions are like roadmaps. They guide your actions. They help you stay focused. Set daily, weekly, and long-term intentions. Write them down. Make them specific and achievable. For example, a daily intention could be practice gratitude. A weekly intention could be spend quality time with loved ones. A long-term intention could be travel to a new country.
Section 5. The power of small steps. Don't get overwhelmed. Start small. Choose one area of your life to focus on. Break down your intentions into small, manageable steps. Celebrate each victory along the way. For instance, if your intention is to eat healthier, start by adding one more serving of vegetables to your diet each day. Small changes add up over time. Consistency is key.
Section 6. Cultivating mindfulness in daily life. Mindfulness is about being present. Pay attention to your senses. Notice the beauty around you. Engage fully in conversations. Savor each bite of food. Practice mindfulness during everyday activities. Pay attention to your breath while washing dishes. Notice the feeling of the sun on your skin. Be fully present in each moment.
Section 7. Embrace gratitude. Gratitude shifts our focus. It allows us to see the positive aspects of our lives, even when things seem challenging. By embracing gratitude, we can transform our mindset and improve our overall well-being. It helps us appreciate what we have. Start a gratitude journal. This simple practice can have profound effects on your mental health. Each day, take a few moments to reflect on the things you are thankful for. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. These can be big or small, significant or seemingly trivial. The act of writing them down helps to solidify these positive thoughts in your mind. Share your gratitude with others. When you express your appreciation to friends, family, or even strangers, it not only strengthens your relationships, but also spreads positivity. Gratitude can be for big things, like health and family. Recognizing the importance of these fundamental aspects of life can bring a deeper sense of fulfillment and joy. It can also be for small things, like a sunny day or a good cup of coffee. These little moments of joy add up and contribute to a happier, more content life. The more you focus on gratitude, the more you'll find to be grateful for. It's a positive cycle that can lead to a more optimistic outlook on life. By making gratitude a daily habit, you can cultivate a mindset that appreciates the beauty in everyday moments. Incorporate gratitude into your daily routine. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a moment to reflect, find what works best for you. Notice the small things that bring you joy. A delicious meal, a good book, or a meaningful conversation can all be sources of gratitude. Nature is a wonderful source of inspiration for gratitude. Take a walk outside, observe the beauty around you, and let it fill you with a sense of wonder and appreciation. Remember, gratitude is a practice that grows stronger with time. The more you engage with it, the more natural it becomes. Embrace gratitude and let it transform your life.
Section 8. Finding joy in simple things. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the small moments that bring us true happiness. But if we take a step back, we can find joy in the simplest of things. Joy is all around us. We just need to open our eyes to see it. The warmth of the sun on our face, the sound of children laughing, or the scent of blooming flowers can all bring a smile to our face. These moments are precious and often go unnoticed. Take time for activities you love. Connect with nature. Whether it's hiking through a forest, tending to your garden, or kayaking on a serene lake, these activities can rejuvenate your spirit and bring a sense of peace and contentment. Listen to your favorite music. Music has the power to uplift our mood and transport us to a place of joy. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes with headphones, playing an instrument, or singing karaoke with friends, let the music fill your soul. Dance in your living room. Make time for playfulness. Laugh often. Dancing, playing games, and having fun with loved ones can create lasting memories and strengthen bonds. Don't be afraid to let loose and enjoy the moment. Don't take life too seriously. It's important to find humor in everyday situations and not let stress take over. Laughing with friends, making funny faces, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee can lighten your mood and bring joy to your day. Find joy in the ordinary moments. Savoring a cup of tea, getting lost in a good book, or sharing a meal with family can be incredibly fulfilling. These simple pleasures remind us of the beauty in everyday life. These moments are the building blocks of a happy life. By appreciating and embracing the simple joys, we can create a life filled with happiness and contentment. Remember, it's the little things that often make the biggest difference.
Section 9. The ripple effect of intentional living. When you live intentionally, you inspire others. Your positive energy is contagious. Your actions speak louder than words. Be the change you want to see in the world. Volunteer your time. Help a neighbor in need. Practice random acts of kindness. Small gestures can have a big impact. Together, we can make the world a better place.
Section 10. Reflecting on your journey. Take time to reflect on your journey. What's working well? What could you improve? Adjust your intentions as needed. Be patient with yourself. Growth takes time. Journaling can be a helpful tool for reflection. Write about your experiences. Explore your thoughts and feelings. Celebrate your successes. Learn from your challenges.
Section 11. Living a life of purpose and meaning. Living with intent is a lifelong journey. It's not just about the big moments, but also the small, everyday choices that shape our lives. Each step we take, each decision we make contributes to the tapestry of our existence. It's about making conscious choices. Every action, no matter how small, has the potential to bring us closer to our true selves. When we choose with awareness, we create a path that resonates with our deepest desires and aspirations. It's about aligning your actions with your values. When our actions reflect our core beliefs, we find a sense of harmony and peace. This alignment is the foundation of a purposeful life, guiding us through challenges and triumphs alike. It's about creating a life that truly matters. Start today. Choose one small step, make it a habit, then take another step and another. Each small action builds momentum, leading to significant change over time. Before you know it, you'll be living a life that's both meaningful and fulfilling. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Each victory, each moment of contentment is a testament to your journey. The power is within you. Embrace it. Trust in your ability to create a life of purpose and meaning. Your journey is unique, and every step you take is a step towards a brighter, more fulfilling future.